Take the green and black crepe paper strip. Peel and separate it into 4 two-piece green and black strips as needed. Cut the strips 1/2 inch long. After cutting, place the pieces in a work basket.